Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the common exception unknown software exception error that appears in applications. And now let's get started. We have prepared 3 effective methods to help you resolve this issue. Our first solution involves performing a clean boot. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type System Configuration. Select and open the System Configuration tool. Navigate to the Services tab. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. Make sure to check this box. If any other services are currently checked, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply and OK. After these changes, restart your computer. This process helps identify if a background service is causing the conflict. The second method is to use the Microsoft.NET Framework Repair tool. You can download this tool from the link I will provide in the description below. Once downloaded, run the tool. Accept the license terms by checking the box that states I have read the license terms, and then click Next. The tool will then begin analyzing and recommending settings to repair. After the process is complete, click on Finish. This should effectively resolve issues related to the .NET framework that might be causing the exception error. Our final solution is to run a chkdsk scan. Search for command prompt in your Windows search bar and ensure you click on Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the command chkdsk /r/f and then press Enter. You will be prompted to schedule the scan for the next restart. Press Y and then hit Enter again. This will initiate the chkdsk scan when you restart your computer, which can identify and fix file system errors on your drives. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.